Okay, another drain line open. I'm actually on a very high roof here, and it's tile, so it sucks having to bring this up here, but I used this. I did open it. I opened it at approximately 40 feet. You could see the water rolling by at 57 feet. We had a bunch of rags in here, which could have been 2-ply paper or 3-ply or 30-ply or whatever. But I've informed the customer single-ply, as you guys hear me all the time, single-ply paper. Poop, pee, body waste only. So I went through the blockage. It took me a while because I had to beat the blockage down. Thank you, sir. Yeah, these rags have all moved out of the system. So far, so good. Right here's the turn, and this is where these rags got stuck. Right at approximately 40 feet, you can see that sludge right there. I'm gonna move that along. All right, I had another one. There's a 45, about 40 feet away, there's a 45 that all these rags are getting stuck on. Okay, a 45-degree angle. That's where our blockage was. I just seen another rag, but I scooted it out to the middle, so when you flush the toilet again, that'll push that one through. All right? Go ahead and... there were no rags back this way. The footage ain't going down. Go ahead now and do me a favor and flush that toilet and run a little bit more water. Just go ahead and run the water again. There's just a couple rags that were sitting to the side that I want to push out of here, okay? I pushed them to the middle now, and they'll be slight belly in this pipe, it looks like, but it's hard to tell because water's running right here. We're not going to stick around to do any more because we already know. The most important thing is customer to control what he puts in the drain. We are open. That's the 45. Looking good. See, I got them off to the middle. Now he'll flush them through. See, we have no rags floating in here, so likely a bit of a belly, but all the water's moving is what you're seeing right now, so no more rags. If he puts any more in, he's going to be blocked again. I'm going to wrap this up and get the heck out of here.